Meaning of helpmate.
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 Helpmate. The term helpmate is typically used to refer to a person who serves as a supportive and helpful partner to someone else, especially in a romantic relationship. A helpmate is often seen as someone who provides emotional and practical support, offers encouragement and advice, and helps their partner to achieve their goals. The concept of a helpmate is often associated with traditional gender roles, but it can apply to any relationship where one person supports the other. Overall, a helpmate is someone who works alongside their partner to build a strong and fulfilling life together.